In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pipe network civil 3D. Let's walk through the full workflow from launching the tool to laying out the pipes and structures to reviewing the results so your network is clean and ready for design. Start by opening the pipe network creation tool. On the ribbon, go to Home, then Create Design, then Pipe Network, and choose Create Pipe Network. This opens a dialog that sets the foundation for everything that follows. Give your network a clear descriptive name so you can find it later, especially if your drawing will contain multiple networks like storm, sanitary, or water. Next, select the parts list. This defines which pipe sizes and structure models you can place, so be sure you're using the correct company or project standard. Finally, choose the style for both pipes and structures. Styles control how your network looks in plan, profile, and 3D views. If you're not seeing the level of detail you expect later, this is the first place to revisit. Now choose your layout method. If you already have alignment lines, polylines, or other objects that represent your network path, pick from objects. Civil 3D will let you select those objects and convert them into connected pipes and structures, preserving direction and flow as you confirm each segment. If you're starting from scratch, choose Draw in Plan View. This option lets you click directly in the drawing to place structures and automatically connect them with pipes as you go. With your layout mode selected, start placing components. Click to set the first structure at your starting point, then continue clicking along your desired route to add more structures. Civil 3D draws the connecting pipes for you. Use snaps for precision and zoom in when placing structures near intersections or changes in direction. If the wrong size appears, look to the options bar or the network layout tools palette to swap to a different pipe or structure type from your chosen parts list. Right-click to end the layout when the run is complete and press ESC if you need to cancel a segment before placing it. To finish and review, take a moment to inspect the network, zoom along the run and confirm that structures land in the correct locations, pipes are connected as intended, and the styles read clearly at your plan scale. If something doesn't look right, you can select a pipe or structure to swap parts, adjust styles, or edit geometry. This quick review now will save time when you move into profiles, labeling, and analyses later. And that's it. You've created a pipe network in Civil 3D with the right properties, layout method, and a clean final check.